Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Thanks, bro. Thanks. I'm expecting pre-market was nice. Pre-market was clean up some charts. Okay, clean. So that's also nice range. By the way, I'm expecting hello guys. So this was little body கேக்குதா cringe range. So I'm expecting this range will be draw. Nice. Next to draw will be here. The SNT I occur the SNT here. So let's play out. So I expecting 10 a.m. open. 10 a.m. open will be draw here and turtle soup it and price move to lower. So but the pre-manipulation was nice, right? That pre-manipulation was so nice, so I missed that buy. But here I'm short on here, but yeah, short on 4 a.m. PO3, right? Capture the 4 a.m. PO3. So there is no news on today, right? The Wednesday has some sort of newses, so I expecting that AM section was just a little bit choppy and PM section continue to the choppiness, and the tomorrow AM so nice, baby, so nice. Let's see. That's 5 minutes. There's a 5 minutes about to close on 9 a.m. So let's check it out. So here what sounds interesting, right? So that the one interesting draw here that was 9 a.m. right? So smooth, like smooth. See, there is a no big. If the candles open, it must have an 4 components like open, high, hello, and close. But here there is a no low. Here there are 1 hour candle, there is a no low. So I could expect that after turtle soup here or getting the rejection blocks here, maybe this particular area so too sensitive. This area will be too sensitive, like I put some lipstick on the charts, right? So there is a little bit, this areas could be more sensitive, right? So that's why price will be chopped here, and I am expecting 10 a.m. will be opened and tapped and turtle soup, and expecting to the logo, right. But my kind of view on gold, wow, babe, what the hell? நீ கோல்டு பிடிச்சிங்களா ப்ரோ? சொல்லிருக்கலாம்
ப்ரோ, நீங்க
சொல்லிருக்கலாம் லைவ் முடிச்சுட்டு பேசிக்கலாம் சொல்லிருக்கலாம். சரியான செல் here. That I was expecting this sells on today, so about to draw here, right? So this was my draw on gold, so that was a low risk sell here. I missed that. Anyway, every single day market will be off, right? So every single day market will be offers and some sort of buys and sells. Markets are always providing the entries. So as a trader, be patient, and about the 3 minutes about to close, so let's wait. What's 10 a.m. does, right? Okay, what does YM does? Maybe after closing below, maybe I could consider to sell. For closing below, I could consider sell, right? I could consider sell. like it was here, and SL placed in here. Nice rejection. So here the row was my initial draw. If candle close below, I could enter the shots, right? I could enter the shots. Call Kataichi Nanikran. If you watch the live, give me the thumbs ups. Audio கேக்குதா? Yeah guys, so maybe the 1 minute about to I expect today price little bit chop today because already pre-section was over. So if there is, I didn't find any sorts of entries here, so maybe because there is a no news today, so particularly there is a no news today, and tomorrow have good newses, right? So some good newses, so enter on here, so let's watch. Come on. Yeah, right, so I entered here, so then I'm about to open. So yeah, then I'm about to open. There is SMT on the highs, so enter shots here on my accounts. So yeah, right, let's see.
still possible to call. Sorry. Gold beard.
Gold திரும்பிட்டானா? Wow, gold will be returned to the range. So let's go. So yeah, because what's the 1 hour does, so that was huge expansion on 1 hour. So damn, I missed this buy, right? I missed this buy. Missed this buy. So let's see if price will be reject this high. and drop to the lower. So I expect displays below the lows. So displays below the lows. So if price travels through system இவ்வளோ தூரம் ஹேங் ஆகுது. லாப் ரொம்ப லாக் ஆகுது. Okay, fine. Back to the business. Back to the business. Right, so I expect so displays below this low. So if price displays below this so low, but my initial target was this 9am low, and as usual this low. Why? Because this is the current like relative equal lows. So this was a relative equal low. So I expect price drop through the low, and I didn't expect this was a spending. Maybe this was a low risk sell, right? So that was my low risk sell. If that it's took on a SL, so and I looking for the another entry on this particular areas, right? This was low risk sell. So price chopping around here. So that creates wonderful price actions, right? So this was low risk sell. If you are an entered here, lower is risk. So take the half of the risk here and take the half of the risk here, because there is a bounce between the price ranges. So took on a little SL because I expect, yeah, that what I thought, because the pre-market section was is so expanding, so you miss entries here, but I look little shorts because this was our smooth lows here, right? So smooth lows here. Let's wait. And what about CL does? CL, I mean crude oil. What crude oil does? Yeah, crude oil also the same story. So let's watch the price on gold. I'm not much interested, guys. I'm not much interested on those bars. Alright, so it's tapped on rejection block. Meanwhile it took this highs, particular highs. ES versus took this highs and leaves here. So if there is a higher time frame confirmation, so I could enter there. So what answer, because sometimes little price was differentiate in flow. So it was huge rejections. Huge rejections here, but my long-term objective here, but I'm looking for some shorts here, and this was our weekly outlooks on posted, right? So I tell weekly outlooks here, this is an order block, this was an inversion, so price push higher, but I need to little push lower to took previous day's low. So because there is both are left out, so I need to take any one this pass. This is ES, right? So this is ES, so ES took this lows, then move higher, or Nasdaq took lows and move higher, right? So let's see. Yeah, that's what I want and what I thought. Yeah, this was nice sell. No, today's market's low probability conditions, right? So this was breaker occurred, so you should maybe close below here. I should enter, right? So I should enter. Here my stop loss, and here this low washes my TP, and this area will be my act as my partials, right? So let's see, if close below I should enter, right? So I should enter 2 contracts. Let's play. And the price also supports this inversion also, so maybe keep into this inversion and move lower. Change the color and blue. Dip into this inversions. Dip into this inversion. Dip into this inversion. And price push lower, right? So yeah, this was LRLR, right? So this is this LRLR means low resistance liquidity run. So what low resistance liquidity run does? This is access draw. What's the yellow shade area? It's a rejection block, bro. It's a rejection block on. Sorry for the delayed replay. So this rejection block, bro. Nice displacement, so maybe I need to price little displace stay here, so we put some stop contract. So right, so let's watch. Damn. Maybe I should enter this inversion, right? So guys, it's okay. It's okay. It's usual business days, right? So I entered my funding ticks account, so maybe it's I entered this fund account, so damn it, that's some sort of bugs, right? So $1,000 or maybe I spend this weekends on. I should enter this weekend. Alright, so I told you the 9 AM open will be act as draw, right? So the price will be do some like so, right? So if reject here or open and retraced here and low here. If price rejects, so maybe this area will be some kind of some kind of choppiness here, because price is too tough to break this lows, right? So break this lows. Why? Right, this was on ICT told this was an ATM. ICT told us this was like ATM model, right? Model. So breaker to breaker. Sorry guys, my mic was a little problem here, so fix it tomorrow. Right. It's okay. I didn't take this entries, so let's see. Maybe we can enter 11 a.m. right? So 11 a.m. Right, I told you early. So this 9 a.m. open was our draft, initial draw. Then our draw was here. So tomorrow we put on a premium and take second shortcuts, right? So 15 seconds, 10 seconds. I love that type of entries, right? So because there is more confirmation than ever. Maybe we should enter after closing below this candle. So if candle close below, can you explain once again, bro? Sell-off narrative. Good, bro. I thought you are a good ICT student. You learn. So right, I explain here. Okay, this was in a rejection block 1 hour. Rejection block in 1 hour. And here after the 10 a.m. open, it creates the Judah swing, and 9:30 also creates the Judah swing. So and tapped here and create the breakers and inversion. That's called a unicorn model. And I thought was price will be retraced here, but it's closed below and displacement even lower. But you can enter market order here after retaping the inversion. But I didn't take. I'm not an inversion trader. Okay, I'm not an inversion trader. I should consider breaker or highs. So that's the only narrative I put in on it. And my initial draw was this 9 a.m. open. So why? Because every candle has 4 components. Wouldn't create the low, so that was my initial draw, and price draw through and tapped and rejection. Because why this rejection? And it supports the breaker, right? So here suppose the breaker here and tap, create another entries like here. This was on a continuations order block, and even more supports here and supports here, like so. If you entered here and put your stop loss on above, and your draw will be this pre-section slow, and even this pre-section slows, because my today's bias was to take this lows here, right? Lows here, because I need to in weekly profile you go to check. Yes mate, your weekly bias is bullish, but here, right, check it out here on daily, right? It doesn't displace here, right? So if it takes this lows, I strongly enter and and because price need to be supports this type of area, so this weeks will be tapped in that IFG because that's a current day, and we are still travel through the weekly opens, right? Weekly opens, so I thought was is great inside the range, and tomorrow will be take down this Monday's range and move through the high and penetrate this highs. Short term buy side versus my initial target, and long term versus like that. I thought from NVOG is going higher. Yes, mate, what's the narrative? What's the narrative? So our narrative is bullish, but our narrative is bullish, right? So everything's around supports here, right? The end dog versus push the price higher, but I need to take any one of these losses. That was quite good scalp. I didn't consider NDOG or NVOG, bro, because ICT every single time ICT comes with every single year comes with a new PD arrays. So basics is more important, right? Basics is more important. So here it's chops, right? But talks any kind of losses and losses, left losses. So I consider this as
bro, நான் கிளம்புறேன். செமினாரோட ஏசி ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுறேன், இதையும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுறேன். செமினாரோட ஏசி ஓடுது.
கொஞ்ச நேரத்தில் ட்ரேட் முடிஞ்சிடும். ப்ரைஸ் வந்து சாப்பு தான் ஆகும்.
ஐயோ, நீங்கள் என்னமோ பண்ணுங்கப்பா. நீங்கள் 10 மணி வரையும் இருந்தாலும் சரி, விடிய படுத்துருந்தாலும் சரி, செமினாரோட ஏசி ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க, இந்த ஏசி ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க.
ஓகே. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Let me know your name, please. Because I need Shatis. Good name, bro. Good name. Because நான் வந்து நியூஸ் எதிர்பார்ப்பேன் ப்ரோ. எனக்கு வந்து ப்ரைஸை சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எனக்கு நியூஸஸ் வேணும். பிகாஸ் வாலட்டைல் இருக்கிறப்போ தான் உங்களால் வந்து நல்லா ட்ரேட் எடுக்க முடியும். பிகாஸ் சாப்பி மார்க்கெட்லேயும் நீங்கள் வந்து ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாம். செக் இன்னைக்கு ஏதாவது நியூஸ் இருக்கான்னு பார்ப்பேன். அதாவது எல்லோ ஃபோல்டர்னா அது இருக்கணும். நான் மோஸ்ட்லி ரெட் ஃபோல்டர்ஸ் வந்து ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணுவேன். பட் எனக்கு மோர் வாலட்டைல் இருக்கும்போது எனக்கு ஹையர் த கான்ஃபிடென்ட் இருக்கும். ஸோ மேபி எல்லோ ஃபோல்டர் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகிடுச்சு. பட் டுமாரோ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு வந்து ரெட் ஃபோல்டர் பட் வந்து அந்த டயத்தில் நல்ல வாலட்டைல் இன்ஜெக்ட் ஆகும் அப்படின்றது வந்து ஒரு சின்ன ஆன்டிசிபேஷன். ஸோ அப்படி வால்டைல் இன்ஜெக்ட் ஆச்சுன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்து நல்ல ட்ரேட் இருக்கும். டுமாரோ டே ஆஃப்டர் டுமாரோ உங்களுக்கு நல்லா ட்ரேட் இருக்கும். நல்ல ட்ரேட் இருக்கும். பார்ப்போம். 11 AM வந்து இன்னொரு ½ an hour இருக்குது. அண்ட் நான் பர்டிகுலராக 2 கேண்டில் தான் ப்ரோ ட்ரேட் பண்ணுவேன், 10 and 11. மேக்ஸிமம் 10க்குள்ளே நான் முடிக்க பார்ப்பேன். பட் ஏன்னா அது ஒரு 4 hour நிறைய நரேட்டிவ்ஸ் இருக்குது. 4 hour ஓப்பனிங்கு, அப்புறம் இந்த சில்வர் புல்லட் டைமு இதெல்லாம் இருக்குது. பட் நான் பர்டிகுலராக அந்த ஒரு விண்டோவில் மட்டும்தான் ட்ரேட் எடுப்பேன். நான் அவுட் சைட் ஆஃப் விண்டோலாம் நான் மோஸ்ட்லி ப்ரிஃபர் பண்ண மாட்டேன். நல்லா இருக்கும் இந்த டயத்தில் ட்ரேட் எடுக்கும்போது. Tell me your opinions, tell me your stories. Man. If you see this live, right, you took this sell, right? You took this, right? I really appreciate it, mate. I really appreciate you. Nasdaq. Okay, guys. I hope if anyone took this sell and anyone took this sells here, and maybe you can enter here and take here as TP solid 1 to 2. It's enough for your quit the 9 to 5, right? Enough for quitting your 9 to 5. It's kinda, sorry guys, my laptop was too low. I'll back in a minute. So hold it, I'm back in a minute. Okay. Sorry guys, I turn off my mic and talk. So wait, my mic causes problem. I'll fix it as soon as possible. guys, am I audible? Am I audible? Sorry, I turn on the mic and talk. Here, this was high time frame order blocks, our order block, and press tab and create the IFEG, right? So create the IFEG, but price trades low this breaker, I would enter. Price is rejecting this inversion. I change the color. Inversion. So 11 AM about to open, right? 11 AM about to open. So let's see how the price reacts. இந்த லைவ் போயிடுச்சு. இந்த 11 AM மட்டும் ப்ரைஸ் பார்ப்போம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு கொஞ்சம் ட்ராப் ஆகிறதுக்கு சான்சஸ் இருக்குது. இல்லைனா 11 AM என்ட்ரி கொடுத்தா தான் உண்டு. ஸோ let's see. So my overall bias was bullish, but I expect little shots in take this lows and eventually take this lows too, right? I mark it out this lows too. So let's see how the price will be reacted. This was our higher time frame order block. So I show that the 15 minutes order block here, right? So here, and 5 minute order blocks also here, and support the price here, and I anticipate price will be displaced below the lows and take this low and this low too. let's wait on how the markets will be reacted. Good bro, good. Yeah, 11 AM opens and take this highs and drop to the lower. Yeah. Our price will be chopped around here, so I need to take this lows. If take this lows and this lows, I should maybe in long, but tomorrow will be good price action. We are expecting good price actions. See, this was LR, so take down previous sections. So this was in London LR, take pre-markets, so take out by this pre-markets, and this was little scalp, and this so long AM didn't take any highs and losses, so we should wait, and if price close below, let's see how the price will be reacted. Slow market conditions, man. Slow market conditions. Literally, I hate this type of markets. But 1046 candle was so. This was literally it's just a joke, right? So that was unexpected, right? So it took buys and sells at the same time. I don't know, this like a fantasy movie, right? It's appears suddenly and gone. Candle ஏன் கிரியேட் ஆச்சுன்னு தெரியல, சடனாக ஒரு ஸ்பைக். இங்கே என்ட்ரி எடுத்தவங்களுக்குலாம் இங்கே நாக் அவுட் ஆயிருக்கும். நான் ஆஸ்யூஷுவல் இது எடுத்தோன்னே பை திரும்பி இருக்க மாட்டேன். நான் எனக்கு இன்னொரு தடவை வந்து கீழே வந்திருக்கணும், டாப் ஆகிட்டு போயிருக்கணும். இந்த லோ எடுத்திருந்தா பை பார்த்துருப்பேன், நான் பை பார்த்துருப்பேன், எனக்கு எடுக்கலை, விட்டுட்டு போயிடுச்சு. ஸோ எல்லாரும் இதை வந்து பிரேக்கர்னு நினச்சி எடுத்துருப்பாங்க. இந்த ஏரியாவில் பிரேக்கர்னு நினச்சி எடுத்துருப்பாங்க. பட் பார்ஷியல் வந்து இங்கே கட் ஆஃப் ஆகிருக்கும். இந்த கேண்டிலில் பார்ஷியல் கட் ஆஃப் ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ இதில் வந்து பி அடிச்சிருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி கவுண்டர் ட்ரெண்ட் எடுக்கக்கூடாது. ஸோ எனக்கு இந்த வீக் வந்து ஓவரால் புல்லிஷ் தான். பட் வந்து இந்த 2 நாள் வந்து செல்லு பார்ப்பேன். இந்த 2 நாள் செல்லு நியூஸில் வந்து லோ கிரியேட் ஆகிட்டு அப்படியே மார்க்கெட் மூவ் பண்ணிடணும். எதிர்பார்த்தது தான் ஏஎம் வந்து கொஞ்சம் சாப்பியாக இருக்கும். இன்னும் நியூஸ் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எந்த நியூஸ் இல்லை. Yeah, man, that was volatile or little injector.
நாலுலேருந்து நான் உட்காரம் போகிறேன். 6 மணிக்கு வந்து உட்காந்துருவேன்.
6 மணிக்கு லைவ் போகணும் ப்ரோ.
6 மணி இல்லை ப்ரோ, 4:30 வந்து உட்காருங்க.
ப்ரீ மார்க்கெட் போகணும்.
ரெஸ்ட் ரூம் போயிட்டு அப்போ ரெஸ்ட் ரூமில் கடுப்பாக இருக்கும்.
மைக்கா
அது வந்து கட் பண்ணுங்க. குட் ட்ரேட் டுடே.
நல்ல செல், அது நல்ல செல் பிடிச்சிருக்கலாம். கொஞ்சம் மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு எனக்கு. பிசி ஹேங் ஆயிடுச்சு. லேப்டாப் வேறு இந்த சைடு. ஸோ many times I told more monitor means more money. Why? Because you can monitor multiple pairs, right? Multiple pairs. Yeah, if close this particular candles low, I should enter shots. If doesn't, close the lives today. Chop. Restroom போகணும். ஒரு 5 minutes. Always guys, always protect your capital. So many time I told this word. So protect your capitals means protect your mental peace, right? So there is no capital means no trade. So profit is by product, right? Profit is by product, but you should focus to protect your capitals, right? Whatever the markets offers, you know, it's kinda like it's kinds of like thousands or $2,000, but you need protect your capitals, because no capitals means no trade, right? No capitals means no trade. So you need to protect your capital, whatever the trade is. So you should work to protect your capitals. See, I told you now, if it doesn't close below and I won't take any trade, if close above, still I won't change my position to long, because my today bias was little sells here, but it's enough, so that enough price was this offered, say, right? So but this duration was bit choppiness. So let's see. This entry was unexpected, and this was too early. Yeah, it's a BE day, break even day. 250 and 250. It's okay, usual business days. Okay guys, I close the trade today and see you tomorrow. Good luck, good trading.